Welcome to Money Matters, the channel dedicated to helping you take control of your finances. Today, we are going to talk about how to create a budget that actually works for you. First, let's define what a budget is. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money, which allows you to prioritize your expenses and make sure you're saving enough for your future goals. Creating a budget can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to start small and be consistent. Here are a few steps to help you get started. Track your spending. For a month, write down everything you spend money on, from your rent to your morning coffee. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you may be able to cut back. Set your goals. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Are you trying to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund? Make sure your budget aligns with your goals. Prioritize your expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your spending and your goals, you can start to prioritize your expenses. Make sure you're spending money on the things that are most important to you and that you're cutting back on the things that aren't. Be flexible. A budget is not set in stone. It's a living document that you can adjust as your circumstances change. Be willing to make changes as needed. Be consistent. The most important thing is to stick to your budget. It's not about being perfect, but about being consistent. Creating a budget may seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. By tracking your spending, setting your goals, prioritizing your expenses, being flexible, and being consistent, you'll be well on your way to taking control of your finances. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on personal finance.